how can people learn to be a little bit more hopeful?
Look, I love that very simple question. If you knew you couldn't fail, what would you want to do? It's such a big question, but such a useful one. It has this elemental simplicity to it. But, if you knew you could not fail, what would you want to do? Because people don't even allow themselves to play. If we think about what play is doing something without fearing consequences. Let's just do this as a game. Children know how to play because they're not so scared of consequences. So they'll just give it a shot. And a good adult life does require us to rediscover that freedom of playing. And the way in which we do it is we think, if everything went wrong, if everything went wrong, it would still be okay. And what about the idea of thinking, this could go right? There couldn't be any, massive consequences. So rediscovering play around your ambition is really important.